Hi, my name's Nyla Hope and I'm really excited to tell you about a workshop that Jonathan and I are running at the School of Intuition and Healing called Protection and Clearing with Crystals. The workshop is taking place on the 21st of March in Kentish Town, North London. In this workshop we'll be exploring the crystals that we can use in order to clear our energy field or aura, and the crystals that can help to keep it clear and to keep it protected. Indeed, which crystals may help us to keep away negativity from others and even protect us against psychic attack and cords. Now, throughout the day, we'll be sharing with you which crystals we personally use to help keep us, our home, and our therapy and workspaces clear. Now, this is something that's quite close to our heart, as we live next to not one, but two graveyards. So our clearing and our ongoing protection of our own home is key to our well-being and our happiness. We'll also be looking at different ways in which we can use crystals for clearing and protection. For example, by setting up grids, filters and wheels. Now, I remember one client who was concerned about her business in the heart of London, a shop which sold many products and each of which was quite a considered purchase. There was certainly no cheap stuff in there. We cleared the entire multi-storey shop and then laid down a crystal grid. Just as we were leaving, the lady suddenly remarked that she'd just sold an item which she had originally believed that they would never sell in a million years. Now, skeptics may argue that it was just mere coincidence, but given the crystals that we used, the layout and the intention behind the grid, this might be down to something more than just mere coincidence. The booking deadline for the workshop is the 10th of March, so please book soon. We look forward to seeing you on the day and exploring the way that crystals can enhance our energy management, particularly our clearing and protection. See you there.